Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And no, you have not entered the Twilight Zone. You have entered the birthday celebration for August acrylic art. So as you watch this creation happen right before your eyes, I'm going to tell you a little something about August. Have you ever wondered what cosmic ingredients make August our talented fluid artist and beloved teacher? He's just so inspiring. Born March 18th, August hits the trifecta of cool cosmic traits. His life path, a number 7 in numerology. He's a warm-hearted Pisces sun, born in the year of the rat. Let's break down how this cosmic insight might shape his creativity, his teaching style, and that irresistible August charm. In true August fashion, he's fun and insightful and filled with admiration for art. A life path of 7 makes him an introspective seeker. This means he's on a lifelong quest for deeper knowledge and understanding. August is always learning, exploring, and perfecting new techniques. Exactly what we see in his fluid art tutorials. He is analytical and detail-oriented. That's what makes him a brilliant problem solver. It's no surprise to me that he can break down any pouring technique into easy steps for his students. He's basically wired to analyze and teach. He is a deep thinker and a clever planner, the kind who loves puzzles and figuring things out. His knack for dreaming up creative paint experiments and solving art mishaps comes naturally. He approaches art like a fun science project, mixing colors and mediums with that inquisitive, let's see what happens spark. Sometimes called a philosopher's path, August carries a quiet wisdom about him and often drops insightful nuggets in his video. He is the artist who not only shows you how to do something, but why it works. A teaching style full of meaning and depth. 7s also have a bit of a lone wolf vibe and needs their solo time to recharge and delve into their ideas. If August disappears into his studio for hours or days, that's just his 7 energy at work. This introspective streak is what gives his art that unique, almost mystical touch. He emerges from creative hermit mode with amazing new pours to share, and we're all grateful for it. He is a Pisces, and that is a water sign, and they are boundless creative with vivid imaginations. They're often considered the most artistic sign of the zodiac. A fluid artist who's a water sign? Coincidence? I think not. His artistic talent flows as freely as the paint he pours, thanks in part to that Pisces' dreamy creative streak. But it's not just art that brings such a huge heart. They're incredibly empathetic and sensitive to others' feelings. In his case, he translates to a warm, encouraging teaching style. He genuinely cares about his students and viewers, making sure everyone feels supported. Pisces people are also extremely generous, always ready to put others' needs first and help out. Doesn't that sound like August? He freely shares his tips, tricks, and encouragement in every video, never holding back his knowledge. He is compassionate, patient, and makes beginners feel at ease. You can truly tell he wants others to succeed and enjoy creating art. Let's not forget that the Pisces intuition, he seems to know just what colors will swirl well together, or when someone is following along might get stuck and need an extra pointer. That natural Pisces empathy and intuition create a safe, positive vibe in his tutorials. Like you're learning from a close friend who totally gets you and your creative journey. With his Pisces sun fueling his imagination and kindness, August shines as an artist and as the kind of teacher who inspires with both skill and soul. Last but not least, the year of the rat in the Chinese zodiac. Rats are known for their quick wit, adaptability, and charm. People born in the year of the rat have a charming personality and caring nature, always ready to help others. This definitely adds to August's charisma on camera. He's got that friendly, approachable energy that makes viewers instantly feel connected, whether he's cracking a joke or dressing up or offering heartfelt encouragement. That rat-born charm shines through. It helps him build sense of community with his audience. You just want to be his friends and create art alongside him. Rats are also infamous for their strong work ethic and ambition. They aren't afraid of a little or a lot of hard work to reach their goals. Rats are natural problem solvers. Ever watch a rat find its way through a maze? This gives August a winning combo of perseverance and charisma. He connects people easily and puts in the effort to continually grow his craft and help others grow too. When you mix it all together, it's a cosmic recipe for an amazing artist and a mentor. August's insightful knowledge and loving approach in his numerology and his Pisces sun fills him with creative talent and a caring heart. And his rat year gifts him charm and tireless drive. It's no wonder he's such a creative and generous spirit. August himself is a charismatic teacher, a fluid art wizard, and a friend to all who enjoy his art. But it's fun to see how his numerology and zodiac signs sprinkle in a little extra magic to the mix. So here's to you, August. Thank you for being born under all these lucky signs and sharing your cosmic gifts with us. I can't wait to see what you create next. So here's a quick little blooper of my goopy mess because I worked way too long with that resin. I couldn't help putting that in because all in all, August does have a heart of gold, and I wanted to relate that some way or another. And here you see his heart of gold. Put a little blue in there because that stands for his blue eyes. So as I show you these puzzle pieces here today, let's reflect on a deeper meaning of these puzzle pieces. How each piece is a friendship and how each friendship is a connection, all fitting together, each piece diverse to form something beautiful and whole. Each piece has its unique shape, its unique place, and without it, the picture just isn't complete. In this heart puzzle, each piece represents one of us, members of this vibrant community. It symbolizes how we all connect, support, and complete each other. Our community, like this puzzle, thrives on connections we forge to support each other and we offer one another. Each piece is essential. Every one of you is essential. You all bring your own unique touch to this collective masterpiece. As we place each piece, let's remind each other how interconnected we are. Let's create a strong and cohesive, powerful community. If you haven't joined us yet, please join us now. We are 30 strong and counting. It's $1 and a dream. Wouldn't you love to have that special emoji next to your name, or use that special emoji in chat? There are so many perks. Click on that join button today. A special thank you to August for inviting me today, whose artistic spirit and friendship inspire us all. Coming up next will be Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club, followed by the rest of the amazing tag team. That would be Creations with Tanya and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. Stay tuned for more creative adventure. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get all the latest videos from It's Art by Donna. Once again, I want to thank you all for being here. We really appreciate it. And whether you're a new viewer or a long-time subscriber, you are what makes this community whole. And you, August, happy birthday to you. May this year bring you as much joy and inspiration as you bring to all of us. I hope you enjoy these little clips that I took of August. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Aishu Crafty Kids Club will be next. Look at this one.